Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Quora account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna access your Chrome browser on your mobile phone and go to search bar and simply type in Quora.com, and then make sure you're logged in as well. Once you have successfully logged in, you're gonna tap on this profile icon on top right corner of the screen, and it will access your account settings and stuff. Now what you gotta do is I'm gonna tap on the settings icon given below, and then you're gonna find this kind of interface, including this all of the account privacy, display, etc. options. You're gonna tap on this option called privacy just right over here, and then it will show this kind of interface, right? You're just gonna scroll down and tap on this delete account option that is just given below. Once you have tapped on it, it will simply ask you for you to enter your password for the security purpose, for you to verify that it is you and you would like to delete. Once you have entered your particular password for it, you're going to tap on this done, and it will simply again ask you for you to confirm a deletion. Once you have reconfirmed it, you will be able to delete your Quora account just like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.